Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to Venmo goods and services in 2025. That is, how to use Venmo goods and services in 2025. Venmo's goods and services feature allows secure transactions for buying and selling items or services, offering purchase protection for eligible payments for a small fee. Now here's how to use it in 2025. Step 1. Ensure eligibility. For buyers or sellers, both parties must have US-based Venmo accounts. The seller needs a personal or business profile. Business profiles are ideal for frequent sales. Step 2. You are to tag a payment as goods and services. How do you do this? Open Venmo. Tap Pay or Request icon. You can see the icon there. Then you enter the recipient's username or email or phone number. Next, you have to enter the amount and add a note. That is the description, for example, payment for laptop. Next, you have to toggle on goods and services. You see it below the notes field. And lastly, confirm the fee. Now, when you confirm the fee is about 1.9% plus $0.10 as deducted from the seller. Once you confirm this, tap on Pay. Step 3. The seller will receive the payment. The funds will arrive in the seller's Venmo balance minus the fee. It will arrive in the seller's Venmo balance minus the fee. And for business profiles, the fees are automatically applied. Now, here are some key features and rules for 2025. We have the first feature called the purchase protection. It covers buyers if items aren't delivered or are misrepresented. The sellers are protected if they provide proof of shipment or delivery. When it comes to fees, 1.9% plus $0.10 per transaction fee. For example, you pay a fee of $1.41 on a $74 sale. So there is no fee for personal payments to friends or family. Then we have tax implications. Goods and services payments may trigger Form 1099-K if you exceed $2,500, that is $2,400 in 2025. Now, there are also some troubleshooting tips I have for you. If a payment is declined, ensure your account is verified and not exceeding limits. Check those two. Those are usually the culprits. Next, if you want to avoid scams, only transact with trusted sellers or buyers, verify profiles, and track shipments. If for business, you switch to a Venmo business profile for higher limits and tax reporting. Now, here are some alternatives for international sellers. Venmo is US only. So for global transactions, use Wise Business. It has low-cost multi-currency transfers and PayPal goods and services. It has similar protections but wider availability.